My name is Claus Møldrup, and I'm the director of our Data and Data Analytic Center here at the Danish Medicines Agency. The more data, the better. And of course, synthetic and also real-world data would be a good supplement to the clinical trials that we already now, of course, introduce into our approval of new medicines. So the more data, the better, of course. One of the major uncertainties that we face when we're using real-world data and real-world evidence in our assessments is that we, to some extent, don't know how it was collected and to what extent it actually emulates a trial, because all our regulatory processes is actually developed around a trial situation. So we needed to be kind of emulating that in order to feel secure about the data. The use of real-world data and synthetic data is, of course, of a new paradigm, and you could feel insecure when you listen to those kind of words. But the citizens can be completely sure that we will only use those if they are actually also safe to use. So as a governmental body and a regulatory body, we are better safe than sorry. So when we look ahead and want to use real-world evidence and data and synthetic data also in our approval processes, we need to make sure that when collecting those kind of data, we also know how it was collected, by whom it was collected. So actually looking very much like a trial. So the more it gets into a systematic approach in collecting data, the more we would like to use it in the future.